How to fix couldn't load high-resolution image on Messenger. Having trouble with the error message couldn't load high-resolution image on Messenger. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this issue and get your images loaded properly again. So let's get started. First, ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection can prevent high-resolution images from loading, so try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or move closer to your router if you're using Wi-Fi. Sometimes cached data can cause issues with loading images, so on Android go to Settings, Apps, Messenger, Storage and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage and find Messenger and tap Offload App to clear the cache. You can try updating the application from the store and that will maybe solve the issue. And you can also check app permissions, so it might not have the proper storage permissions. So on Android go to Settings, Apps, Messenger, Permissions and make sure storage is enabled. And on iPhone go to Settings, Messenger and make sure Photos access is granted. Try restarting your device, and as a last resort try reinstalling Messenger from scratch, and this will fix the issue. Thanks for watching.